Are you feeling thirsty right now? Because if you are, that's good news. And it's also bad news. So it's good news because dehydration is the mechanism by which the body tells us that we are dehydrated. So we need to give it some water. And it's bad news because if you are already dehydrated, that means that you will begin to experience a cognitive and physical decline. Water is essential to the human body. And you must have heard before that the human body is primarily made of water. And that's right. 60% of the human body is actually made of water. Just to give you an idea, your brain and your heart are composed of 73% water. Your lungs, 83% water. Your skin, 64% water. Your kidneys, 79% water. And your bones, which seem so solid and sturdy, 31% water. Imagine that. Water plays a massive role in the functioning of the human body. Water helps us to digest our food, it helps us to lubricate our joints. Water acts as a shock absorber between the brain and the spinal cord. Water helps us to eliminate body waste. It regulates our temperature. It helps to bring oxygen to all parts of our body. It helps us to detoxify, and on and on and on and on. How do we know that we're actually dehydrated? Well, the first obvious telltale sign is that you are thirsty. Then your pee might become a little darker, your skin will begin to dry up, you'll start feeling dizzy, your heartbeat begins to increase, you'll become short of breath, you'll feel sleepy, you'll have lack of energy, you'll become confused, irritable, and you might actually faint. Actually, right now here in England it's 31 degrees. I'm roasting here and this is my 9th glass of water and I cannot get enough. So how do we make sure that we stay hydrated? What's the recommended water intake guideline then? So that depends on a number of things like age, gender, and a few other factors. But as a rule of thumb, if you're an adult and if you're a female, you should be taking between 2 to 2.3 liters a day. And if you are an adult and a male, you should be taking between 2.7 and 3 liters a day. Now that might seem like a lot, but there's a nice tip here. As soon as you wake up, drink 1/3 of your recommended daily intake, because it's right when we wake up that the body is the most dehydrated during the day. So as soon as you wake up, within that first hour, make sure that you drink 1/3 of the recommended daily intake. And as soon as you start doing that in a consistent manner, you will notice changes in your physical well-being, in your mental well-being, and your emotional well-being as well. You'll notice that you'll have more energy available to you, you'll become more focused, you'll be able to concentrate better, and you will be more emotionally stable throughout the day. So give it a go. Cheers. So if you want to know more about this particular topic or any topic in connection to your personal or professional development, subscribe to this channel. Always at the service of your well-being.